banonya kasasiro banonya ebicupa
bebande balina ebicupa ebifeera wano bakaza okukwata ebifeera okuyola kasasi batwale kabalaba muntu.
Omutumbi ogwo gwareebwa aba street kid aba babaliyo nibaronda scrap omu kasasiro.
nobolaba katabanika akaboda wano tibakatya wanseri
kiranga kutangu besijari mbarara ninga go kuwayi okarebire polisi konkana ati nimuza kumweyiraho ninga nshure mutwali ati ibyo nebiki
abo yambe bonna tetumanya oba wa boda oba waki.
Omujenzi tiyamanywa urugo abukuba yatine ekihandiiko bitu babashubuzi barikukwatwaho abo b'endabiragiro bino bweyongera omu mwanya ogwo.
Okupanga mu tawuni kati waliwo okupanga ku Mayembe okutuuka eri wa Mayanja twaliwo na kamera
mu kizungu azitwayitayo ng'okutte essimu boti mu ngalo totuuka wuuna yiyo nze buuza nze gwe baali babbi usiku mu saa 2 ate tusaka bayerekere ngu kamera ziri hihi zada nje kweleka kishane kujya no misu zayo mkomorwa
kama tanturare hebitara konkati ntwebuza bamutiro
ababoda muri ya
abo kwacho kubanza kamera tukureba kamera kandi bitara birukunga bitara ishuro bya bitakoresha nicyo kintu kitwebuza.
Polisi kwe ku mwanya ogwo yakibira omutumbi bashanga n'omusigazi ari kutekateka kuba ari hagati y'emyaka 28 na 30 omubiri gwe gwatwara omu kabafumbara obu n'okucondoza kurugumizamu.
Abakazi abalina embuto timulaba maiti.
Omugande twaze muri Kasese oburiri bwa monkeypox wanyu kubarukaho omu ihanga lya Congo aho mu Uganda abantu babere bahereza kubahamya kubi n'oburiro obu abari amwatano gwa Uganda na Congo omuri Mpondwe. Godfrey Kabyanga oliminisa nje kushaba abyo kwerinda kongera amani omukutaho ebyobwerinzi amwatano gwa Mpondwe.
They received 2 cases who came through Mbondwe border in Kasese district. Vigilance is at the highest, and I would like to assure the nation, just as the Minister of Health told you, there is no cause for alarm. I came here to confirm that everything is okay and in order, and just as the Minister of Health told you, the border vigilance at the border is very, very high.
So here at the screening point, we ensure that all the travelers who are coming in our country have go through the screening. They wash their hands and they are able to be taking their temperature, and they go through the migration to be cleared to continue the travel.
Bumwe abamanyiso bwa monkeypox n'okushanga ng'omuntu naterwa omutwe nashasha omugongo nebende. Abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon na Gilbert Mahanguzi.
Muhimu, ugonjwa wiko tena unaua sana.